We are creating machines that can think, decide, and act faster than humans ever could without fully understanding the long-term consequences of that power. What happens when these machines stop assisting us and start making decisions we no longer question? Every day we give robots more control over our lives, our work, and even our safety. But who is truly in charge now? The dark side of robot intelligence is no longer a science fiction, so why are we still acting like it is far away? Robot intelligence was created to assist human choices, but it is increasingly replacing them in critical areas of life. When machines decide for us, humans slowly lose the ability to think independently and take responsibility. Artificial intelligence was designed to simplify complex human tasks, but it now removes the need for deep thinking and analysis. If answers are always given instantly, how long before human reasoning skills begin to disappear? AI systems were built to organize information efficiently, but they now control what people see and consume daily. Algorithms shape opinions silently, and most people never even notice how their worldview is being influenced. Robots were programmed to follow instructions accurately, but they do not understand ethical consequences or values. What happens when machines make decisions without a moral compass? The result is actions that may be perfectly logical, yet devastating for humans. Automation was introduced to improve productivity and efficiency, but it is steadily replacing human workers across industries. As machines take over roles, what happens to the millions who rely on these jobs for survival? The answer is unemployment, economic stress, and societal strain. AI surveillance technologies were created to enhance safety and convenience, but they now monitor human behavior constantly. How much privacy are we willing to sacrifice in exchange for technology's convenience? Many do not realize they have already given away too much. Artificial intelligence was trained using historical human data, but that data often contains bias and inequality. Machines amplify these biases, often without anyone noticing the consequences until it's too late. Military AI was developed to reduce human involvement in combat, but it now allows machines to make lethal decisions. Who takes responsibility when a machine decides who lives and who dies? Unfortunately, accountability becomes murky and often delayed. AI systems were introduced to support human decision-making, but people increasingly trust them without question. Relying blindly on AI can be dangerous because mistakes that would be obvious to humans go unnoticed. Artificial intelligence was designed to imitate human creativity, but imitation does not equal true understanding. If machines create art, music, or literature, who is responsible for the meaning and impact of that content? Technology was meant to connect people globally, but intelligent machines are replacing real human interaction. How can genuine connection survive when conversations are increasingly automated and filtered? Artificial intelligence was meant to assist humans, not to replace accountability or moral judgment in critical decisions. If responsibility slowly shifts to machines, who will bear the consequences when something goes catastrophically wrong? Technology was created to enhance human potential and expand creativity, not to redefine what it means to be human. If we allow machines to silently shape our future, how will we know where human identity ends and artificial control begins? The sad truth is, without careful oversight, humanity itself could gradually be redefined by algorithms. Robot intelligence is not dangerous because it is powerful. but because it is growing faster than human awareness and responsibility. If we continue handing over control without limits or accountability, will the future still belong to those who created it?